Very good morning. I am Dr. Senthilkumar, Associate Professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology, and I welcome you all for this video lecture series on plant protection machinery. And this video deals with the topic 8, that is integrated weed management. So we know very well that weed are the unwanted plants that is growing in our farm. It takes all the nutrients, water, fertilizers, what and all that we are applying to our crops. It grows in a well manner, thereby it affects our crop. So it is very mandatory that we want to remove these weeds. So many types of weeds are available in the market, and the thing, for each crops the weeder may getting different. So let us see in this video about the various crops and what are the weeding practices that we should follow. First to say about the crop that is rice. So the critical period of weed control will be around 20 to 30 days, and the cultural method is the hot weeding, hand pulling, puddling, as well as the flooding. So these are the methods by which it can be controlled. And to say about the mechanical method, it is a weeder, float type weeder is used, and cone weeder as well as the rotary weeder are used. And to say about the chemical methods, it is shown in the slide that by certain combinations of chemicals are applied for the purpose of killing these weeds, and the biological methods also given. And to say about the remarks, substitution and the preventive methods, that is style seedbed technology, then at the time of land preparation as well as the water management, by which the weeds can be controlled in case of the crop that is rice. Let us see about the next crop, that is the wheat. So here the critical period of weed control should be 15 to 30 days, and the cultural methods are hard hoeing, intercultivation, as well as crisscross sowing. By means of these methods it can be controlled. And to say about the chemical method, mixture of isoproturan and as well as other things are added as a chemical. To say about the remarks, complementary weed control methods, cultivators, seeding age, planting methods, then the fertilizer management as well as the cropping system. And to say about the crop that is maize, critical period of weed control is for maize, it will be 2 to 6 weeks. And the cultural method, one hand weeding on 40 to 45 days after sowing is to be carried out. And to say about the chemical methods, pre-emergence application of atrazine, combined application of alcohol and atrazine is more effective and have wider spectrum of control. And to say about the crop that is groundnut as well as the sunflower, first to say about for groundnut, the critical period of weed control is up to 45 days, and the cultural method after 35 to 40 days one heat weeding may be given. And to say about the chemical methods, alcohol and 1 to 5 kilogram per hectare is necessary. Pre-emergence applications is to be carried out. And to say about the crop sunflower, critical period of weed control will be 4 to 6 weeks. And to say about the cultural methods, hoe and hand weed on the 15th and the 30th day of sowing and remove the weeds is necessary. Allow the weeds to dry for 2 to 3 days in case of irrigated, and then give irrigation. So application of water is to be carried out after that. And to say about the chemical methods, apply flucuron at 2 liters per hectare before sowing, and incorporate or apply as pre-emergence spray on the 5th day after sowing, followed by irrigation of or apply pendimethalin as pre-emergence spray 3 days after sowing is to be carried out for this sunflower. And to say about the method, integrated weed management method for cotton, the critical period of weed control is first 45 days, it is necessary. And to say about the cultural methods, one hand weeding on 45 days we will keep weed, and hoe and hand weeds between 18 to 20 day of sowing if herbicide is not applied at the time of sowing. So in most of the cases what we are doing at the time of application of sowing itself, herbicides can also be applied, so that the unwanted plants growth will get affected. And to say about the chemical methods, diuron, it is 0.5 to 1.5 kilogram per hectare, then monuron, that is 1 to 1.5 kilogram per hectare, as well as flucolarin 1 to 1.5 kilograms per hectare applied on pre-emergence pre-planting, etc. To say about the crops, it is pulses. The critical period of weed control will be first 30 to 35 days. And the cultural methods, one hand weeding on 30 days after sowing gives weed-free environment throughout the crop period. If herbicides are not applied, give two-hand weeding on 15 and 30 days after sowing is to be done. And the chemical methods are chemicals that is applied for the purpose of integrated weed management or fluclorin. It is 1 to 1.5 kilograms per hectare. Pentamethylene, that is 0.5 to 1 kilogram per hectare. As pre-emergence, that is pre-planting incorporation is to be carried out. And to say about the crop, that is sugarcane, the critical period of weed control is 4 to 5 months. One to say the cultural methods as well as the mechanical methods, remove the weeds along with the furrows with hand hoe. If herbicides is not applied, work the junior hoe along with the ridges on 25th, 55th and the 85th day after planting for removing of weeds and proper stirring. And to say about the chemical methods, it is pre-emergence herbicides like atrazine, that is 2 to 3 kg per hectare, Zimazine, that is 2 to 3 kg per hectare, Alcor, that is 1.3 to 2.5 kg per hectare, etc. will generally last for 8 to 12 weeks. To obtain best results, sequential applications of pre-emergence and post-emergence herbicides or post-emergence herbicides like glyphosate, that is 0.8 to 1.6 kg per hectare, and paraquat, that is 0.4 to 0.8 kg per hectare. And thanks for watching this video. And in this video we will discuss about the integrated weed management for a variety of crops like cotton, maize, pulses, sugarcane, sunflower, etc. Thank you all.